Welcome to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. We are an ISO certified company approved from Ministry of Corporate Affairs. We are best known for our development, training, and placements. And the list of our services goes on and on.
और अगला अवार्ड अनाउंस कर देते हैं दैट गोज फॉर द मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग कंपनी ऑफ द ईयर, जो आज के वक्त में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जाता है मिस्टर मुनीश मित्तल को from ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Such an innovative name he has for his company, for the most trusted digital marketing and industrial training company of the year, Mr. Muneesh Mittal. Please come.
So we now have appreciation to the best web development and industrial training company in Punjab, and the award goes to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 company, a Google certified software and electronic systems development company, which is approved from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and it deals with the web development, web designing, mobile apps, digital marketing, industrial training and placement.
Best Web Development and Industrial Training Company goes to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited, Muneesh Mittal, Director, Ms. Neelam Mittal, to please come and receive this award. ThinkNEXT Technologies.
Next we have the best digital marketing and industrial training company in Punjab, and the award goes to ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited.
Director and Mrs. Neelam Mittal. Congratulations.
फाउंडेशंस प्राइवेट अवार्ड 2021 का हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिला है। इस वर्चुअल अवार्ड फंक्शन के विजेताओं के नाम की घोषणा करने में मुझे काफ़ी खुशी और गर्व महसूस हो रहा है। ThinkNEXT टेक्नोलॉजी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड अवार्ड दिया जाना है। आप सबको धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
And our award list goes on and on too.
I'm Ritika Rawat.
I'm Vishal.
I'm Gurjinder Kaur.
I'm Parvinder Singh.
I'm Neha.
I'm Sanjana. I'm Sohela Ghalami. I'm from Afghanistan. Digital marketing.
Digital marketing course.
Digital marketing. Digital marketing.
Digital marketing course. 100% job placement.
Google certified.
Learn digital marketing from national award-winning company.
If you want a bright future, choose ThinkNEXT.